Hello, fabulous people of this community. Welcome to the place where we explore all types of pixie hairstyles, pixie hair beauty, and confidence. If you are new here, and I am thrilled to have you join the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you are always looped for fresh fashion and hair inspiration. Today we are diving into the thick and timeless world of pixie hairstyles. Whether you are thinking about statement, refreshing your look, or simply curious about how to rock pixie cut, this is for you. I will be sharing all types of pixie hair cuts, whether you have curly, straight, wavy, or long hair. So this video gonna helpful for you styling tips, variation, and also helpful for you how to choose the perfect pixie cut for your face. For your face. To achieve a stylish and versatile look with your pixie cut, it adds volume and texture to your short hair. Adding volume can help lift your hair and create a fuller appearance, while adding texture can give your hairstyles more depth and dimensions. When choosing the right pixie cut for your face shape, it's important to consider how different pixie haircut can complement your features. Each face shape, whether round, oval, square, or heart shaped, has unique characteristics that can be enhanced with the right pixie cut. A woman's life's destination dedicated to style, entertainment, love, and living beautifully. With pixie hairstyles and its different cut and color dyes. The pixie cut remains a bold statement of individuality and rebellion. This iconic style, with its edgy look and fantastic bold spirit, embracing trendy modern look transitions, this cut features a showcasing a stylish contemporary edge. Step into the world of exciting change with these hairstyles, which spark your creativity and boost your confidence in styles. If you are new visitor, turn on notification to links with other videos. Wearing a pixie hairstyle create the needed volume to make your thick or thin hair look stylish. If you want a rock a regular pixie hairstyle, when can rock a long one, so pixie bob are the latest trends that's taking the hair industry by storm. If there is one that only you can do with your hair that will take years of your face, it's pixie haircuts to get. Then find your next inspiration from this collection amazing hairstyles of pixie hairstyles. This word pixie hairstyles radiates self-assurance, showcasing closely trimmed sides that creates top section. If you like this video, please thumbs up our video, and if you enjoy it and share it with someone who might need a little hairstyle inspiration. So if you are new visitor, make sure to subscribe button, turn on notification bell so don't miss out on future videos like this. Thanks you. Thanks for watching, being part of this amazing community. Until next time. Stay fabulous, stay confident, and keep rocking your unique style. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.